Long story short, I've been suffering from acne for about 12 years now. I've tried a lot of things. Not everything worked, but I finally managed to get rid of it, and I'm going to tell you everything about it in this video. If you also have acne, make sure to watch it. It's only 3 minutes long, and I'm sure that it will be helpful. If you are new to this channel, subscribe and let's get started. A few years ago, my dermatologist prescribed me a skincare routine which included benzoyl peroxide. The problem was that she told me to apply it only on the pimples. And I didn't know back then, but I know now for sure that applying something only on the pimples will not give you great results. If you think about it, it's the skin that is the problem. So we have to treat the whole skin, not only just 1 or 2 pimples. Even though the skincare routine that she prescribed me wasn't really great for me, I'm still happy that she introduced me to benzoyl peroxide, because after that I did huge research and I found out that it's actually one of the best treatments for acne. It kills the bacteria, it reduces the irritation, and it unclogs the pores. Make sure to find a benzoyl peroxide that has a gel texture. It's so easy to apply. You don't irritate your skin at all, and a little goes a long way. So this is the benzoyl peroxide that I started using at the end of January, and now it's August. That will easily last you about 6 months. Hands down, benzoyl peroxide is one of the best acne treatments, but unfortunately has some side effects, and I just have to mention them. When you first start using it, your skin will be red, dry, irritated, and very sensitive. Honestly, your skin will look horrible. Luckily, the side effects are just in the beginning, so once your skin gets used to the treatment, they will disappear. One side effect that doesn't disappear is the fact that the benzoyl peroxide bleaches. So your pillow, your towel, you need to make sure that they're white. No matter how good the medication is, if you don't use a few other products with it, you will not get great results. Wash your face in the morning and in the evenings with cleanser. Then apply benzoyl peroxide, and then use a very nice moisturizer. I love these 2 moisturizers. I use the CeraVe in the evenings and the Bioderma in the mornings. Another product that I love by acne.org is the glycolic acid. This is a product that will help you get rid of the hyperpigmentation. If you have acne scars, like when there is like a hole in the skin, then no creams will help. So you have to really meet a dermatologist and do some treatments. But for the dark spots, there is a hope, and it's called glycolic acid. After I told you what products I use, I have to mention that it's really important what lifestyle you lead and how you treat the acne, or how do you treat your skin. Make sure that you eat healthy, exercise, and also check if you have a zinc or vitamin D deficit. I had vitamin D deficit and now I'm taking tablets. Also have a separate towel just for your face. Make sure that you change it every few days. Also make sure that you change your pillowcase every few days. And don't touch your face. You can only touch it in the morning and in the evenings when you're applying all the products. But even then, you have to be very, very careful, very gentle. No irritation, because the more irritation, the more acne. So you can poke a pimple only when it has the whitehead and it's ready, and there is a certain way that you do it. I'm gonna add a link to a video with instructions so you can see how you can safely poke your pimple. Alright, I guess that was it. Ask me if you need any more information. Ask me about anything acne related. So I will see you soon.